Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you every details on how I made this braided wig. Please stay tuned, I'll be right back. Now I'm going to start ventilating a very small quantity of hair on the net. And I'm going to ventilate it straight because the cornrow that I'm going to do will be on a straight line. If you are to cornrow a curving style or any other style of your choice, please remember to ventilate the hair according to the style that you want to make. If you have not seen the beginning of this wig or how the whole process started, you will find the link in the comment section below. It's important you go back and watch the starting of this wig. It will help you very well.
Slowly coming around. Now I'm barely breathing and my chest is heating up, 'cause I get this feeling when you're...
I'm done ventilating the first line, even up to the cornrow. The same way I ventilated the first one, the same process I followed on the second one. Now I'm going to start the braiding, and the style I'm going to do is feeding cornrow. And I'm going to start by adding a very small quantity of hair first, followed by increasing the volume of the hair as I go.
Better come down to a reasonable place, like a sundown. I gotta try and refrain, 'cause I'm so in love and it's making you nauseous. So you scream my calls just to try and be cautious. You're so distant, it's getting hard.
Now let me show you the two different ways in which you can make your wig. First one is to fold your hair and form a loop like this. Then use your needle and take some strands of hair like this. And the second one is to be picking it small like this. Then you form a loop and crochet. And another two ways of ventilating, either you start from up or down. All you need to do is to use your crochet needle, pass it through the legs, pick the hair you are already holding like this, drag it out. Can you see that? Then take the needle back to where the hair is, pick it again, by then it will form a loop. Then you pull it through the loop. I will do that one more time. You pick your hair, form a loop like this, then take a ventilating needle, pass it through the legs, then pick the hair. You can see that when you pick it, you cover the crochet needle, then pull it out, take the needle back to where the hair is, pick the hair, by then it will form a loop, cover it again and pull it out through the loop, just like this. Remember I told you earlier to follow a particular side when you are either crocheting or ventilating. Either you follow up or you follow down. The reason is because when you mix it up, the hairs you have already ventilated or crocheted will be disturbing you, to not allow you to concentrate. Don't be surprised to know that when you are crocheting from the hand side, the crochet needle will pass through the legs by facing up, then face down to pick the hair and drag it down, just like this. Then when you want to crochet from the upper side, your crochet needle will pass the lace by facing down, then face up like this to pick the hair and drag it up, just like this. That is why it's good to either follow up or down. You don't mix them together, or else the hairs in between will be disturbing your hand and your needle.
Me credit. You're so distant, it's getting hard to see your face. You don't listen to a single thing I say. So
making feeding cornrow, and we start by adding a small quantity of hair first, then increase the volume of the hair as we go. Work in progress, and this is how I keep making it line by line like this until I reach the beginning where I started the first cornrow.
'Cause I'm so in love and it's making you nauseous, so you scream my calls just to try and be cautious. You're so distant, it's getting hard to see your face. You don't listen to a single thing I say.
Wow, can you see that? Please give me some credit now. Give me some credit by liking this video, please, and do subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free, you know that. It's free of charge. That is the only thing I need from you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you find it interesting. Send me your comment in the comment section below. Tell me your mind concerning the whole process. If you would like to see the completion of this week, please don't forget to click on the notification bell below so that you can be notified when I will post the next video. We have come to the end of this video. Hope to see you when I will post the continuation of this week. See you next time. Bye bye.